Okay, first let's look at this tab, which we are going to rename the name of this tab to task. Okay, and we press on the plus sign and we can have another new tab. This tab we will call it contact, and one more tab we're going to call this property. Okay, so we have the 3 tabs set up now. Okay, you can see you can rearrange the tabs. When we go to task, okay, you can enter the name of the task, say something that you're supposed to do. In this example, I just write down the name of the property, something like that. Okay, just as an identifier, so you can add in some notes, anything that you want regarding this task. So a task is like a job that on a daily basis, so you just keep keying it in. So you can see you can also put in the attachment for this task. If you add on one more column, alright, let's call this column property. Okay, you can see that you can select a link to another tab. Okay, in this case we link to property and we deactivate the multiple records linking. So what's going to happen is you can actually add the property here, or you can go to property tab and just key in the details. Okay, so now just key in the name of the property. This is just example. Okay, so some notes about this particular property that you are handling, attachment again, and you can select the task. Remember in the first step we had task, so you can click the task here and say this property has this task to do. Similarly, in the task tab you will see property appearing as well, so you will only be keying in one set of information for everything one time. Okay, all the details are here listed for you to take a look. Next, we go back to property tab and we add one more column to property tab. Once again we do a linking and we call this contact. Okay, this time we allow linking to multiple records. Click save, and from here we can also click to select the record that we want, but we're not going to do it here. We go to contact, we key in, okay, Mr. Tan, and add in some notes. You can choose to add the notes or not add the notes, it's up to you. And you can select the property for Mr. Tan. So Mr. Tan is for this property, and also you can see now we put in Mr. Go. Same thing, just some random notes, and we can select the same property. So this property actually has 2 owners, so-called 2 contacts for this property. So that's the end of this tutorial. You have just learned to set up the basic functions of Airtable: the task tab, a property tab, a contact tab, and for the next tutorial we will be looking into putting in attachments and inserting a date field, and lastly use Airtable as a calendar system so that you can track when the task happen, what's supposed to happen, and hopefully have a better overall view on your work.